What's going on, y'all? We out here at Smokey Joe's out in Crete. Nice little sports bar where they got the Bears game. It's a nice size. They got a lot of TVs. It's low key. So I'm trying to just go everywhere in Illinois to relax and have a drink on Friday. We playing the Giants. So let's go see what these Bears about to do today. I like an outside area. Y'all see they got the outside area. So like in the summer, I want to check out a spot where you can sit outside and relax and watch TV outside. So let's go in here. What's going on, y'all? I'm out in Crete. Got a little sports bar. About to had a few drinks and watching this Bears game. They got a lot of TVs here. Deso. Got a nice little bars. They got a live band spot. They got a few things here. So I'm gonna come show y'all around. I'm sitting down, relaxing, having a drink. Here's a spot here, ain't it? Ain't it a spot out here? They got a little spot where they have a live jazz band. A decent little spot. Bears winning. Bears gonna have to go Bears.
Check this out, look at the slot. He gets baited and it's going to the tight end intercepted by Smokey. Takes it in 17 yards. That's a pick six. He has 2 interceptions on the day. Baltimore leads.
Hey, got a little game in the area. Play some games. So this is the spot you can sit and watch, relax and watch the football game like I am. I'm trying to visit a lot of spots. Decent. It's a nice little area, nice size. If you want to come in, social distance. It's nice and warm too. Nice, good heat blowing. There's good heat blowing, so I like that it's blowing good heat. Good game, good food, nice. So let's check out the ceiling. They got the ceiling decked out with all types of stuff. So, I like the setup. Nice, big area. They got outside. Got a little outside area over here. So if you want to go outside and hang out in the summer, sit outside and relax, watch the football game. They'll raise these up. You can go outside and sit at the bar outside and relax, chill, have a few drinks. Decent. So this is a nice little outside area right here. I can't go all the way, but you know, during the summer you can sit outside and relax, watch TV, watch the game, or just eat, enjoy your drink. Decent. That's a little dope idea. Have the whole block decked out. Alright, so you got the Christmas tree. I like that. So the whole block is kind of nice houses too. Oh yeah, that's dope. That's nice. It's like a castle. Yep, that looked like a castle. Oh, that's nice. Tune in, Willy Wonka. Oh yeah, this is nice. This is nice. Decent.